on a topic I see people discussing a lot, which is people who want to make money without investing any money or spending any money whatsoever, right? So first and foremost, is that possible to do? The answer is yes. There are ways to make money online without investing any money. It's true. But there's something you got to keep in mind. Anytime, well, in like 99% of the cases, anytime where you don't have to invest any money whatsoever, you most likely got to invest a lot of time to actually make any real amount of money. Now, if you're just looking to make just a little bit of extra cash, like I always talk about, paid surveys. If you ain't with Survey Club yet, link in the description. That's a free survey site, place, whatever. But and that's for people who are just looking to make a few extra bucks a month. Even that, you can make money with it, but even that, you still got to take the time out to take the surveys, at least a couple hours a day, to make some money, even with paid surveys. But you don't necessarily have to spend any money in doing so. Even with like affiliate marketing, you don't technically have to spend money to make money with affiliate marketing, but you're gonna have to put more time in it. Usually, when people spend money, it's to basically either you're buying a system, all right, something that you can plug into and start making money, or you're paying for a lot of knowledge, which can hopefully shortcut the process of making money online. So yes, to answer the question, you can make money without investing a dime, but you're going to actually be investing time, and you have to decide, what's the best for you. I personally feel like at some point, if you're one of the people that really want to make money online on a regular basis, at some point, you're going to spend some money. Even if initially you don't spend money to make money, over time, you're probably going to end up spending some sort of money. For example, if you've been following my channel, I'm involved with 2 different businesses. The Giveaway Masters I just started, you can check that out, and Genesity, which I've been with for a while, and both of them are pretty different, in cost. Like Genesity, for $25 a month, $10 for a beacon, and then I pay $15 for the lead platform management, okay? So for $25 a month, I have a full-blown business that has a lot of earning potential, all right? Then you got, but with Genesity, it's more of a slower process. It's more network marketing. You kind of counting on people coming underneath you and making money. But you still can make money just simply by selling beacons, right? Which is a great, great opportunity. Now, like I said, that's $25 a month, which is nothing, right? Then you got Giveaway Masters, which is a $497 business opportunity, a one-time fee. And then it allows you to offer a free trial service to local businesses that can actually pay you $97 a month, right? So if you think about it, if you can get 50 businesses to sign on after their free trial, that's $5,000 recurring income, just like that. All right. Now, where the money comes from with Giveaway Masters, you have to pay after your initial $500 or $497 fee, whatever. Every 10 accounts that you get from every 10 local businesses, it's a $97 fee. And you might be like, what the hell? That's not bad, guys, because think about it. If you're with Giveaway Masters and you get 10 businesses, okay, that's $970 a month that you get sent to your account. And out of that, you pay $97. All right. So when you get 20 accounts, 20 businesses, that's $2,000 a month in your account, and you're paying out $196, I believe, right? Or what is it? 190, maybe 196. I can't add right now. But that's that business model, right? And the funny thing is, I was meeting with somebody, actually ended up pitching both services to to a lady who owns a gym, a fitness gym, and she actually interested in both services. So it hit me to realize with Genesity and Giveaway Masters, they actually kind of go hand in hand, because businesses would love this inexpensive beacons that can shoot out a message. And then you got Giveaway Masters, which we offer basically a free service to help get their Google reviews up, right? So that goes hand in hand. So, you know, passive income, guys, that's what I'll always be talking about, passive income. And this is what these two businesses are allowing me to do. Different investments, but that's what I'm doing, all right? But if you want to take the approach of, you know, spending no money, you can do that, but just know, you know, you got to put more time into it. And at some point, you're probably going to spend some sort of money if you're looking to make some serious money online. But that's my take on it, guys. Everything I talked about in this video, links in the description. If you want to sign up for free surveys, look for Survey Club. The Genesity link is down there. You can check that out. And Giveaway Masters, you can check that out. So something for everybody, guys. So if you haven't done it yet, be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.